Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and in this video we're gonna be making a little comparison between the 13-inch 2018 MacBook Pro and the 15-inch 2018 MacBook Pro with touch bar, and this one here does not have the touch bar, as you guys can see. So touch bar here, if I can just get this guy started, versus non-touch bar. As you guys can see, there's a power button right here, and this guy is the one I have been using to actually edit most of the current video, at least from the past 6 videos. I think I have been using this guy, and this one here I had to get it from this guy sitting here. I'm gonna call him just now to come and explain what's going on here with this MacBook Pro. But I wanted to bring this video to you guys just as I had promised on the previous video that I was gonna be making comparisons between these two guys. Now, this guy here, the 13-inch MacBook Pro without touch bar, is a 2.3 gigahertz processor, is a Core i5. It's an 8 gig SSD. Now on this guy here, this guy would be a 2.6 gigahertz with a 512 SSD, and it's a 16 gig memory on this guy. Now this guy, because it's an i7, will actually edit much faster than this one here, especially when it comes to editing 4K videos. But obviously this is the Sony camera recording here, but it's recording on 1080p, so I'm gonna probably be able to edit it on this guy. Now for us to give you guys, or for me to give you guys a little size comparison, as you can see, the 13-inch will actually be swallowed. The 13-inch will be swallowed by the 15-inch, and as you can see, this is the physical difference between the two of them. Now, in terms of ports, you'll find out that the 13-inch has two Thunderbolt 3 USB-C connectors, as well as the 15-inch, but the difference comes on the other side, where on the 15-inch you have 2 additional Thunderbolt 3 on this side, plus the 3.5mm jack for your headphones, and on the 13-inch you only have the 3.5mm jack for your headphones. So this is the physical difference between both of them. Now in terms of prices, obviously because this guy doesn't come with a touch bar, it's going to cost you much less than this one here, than the 15-inch. And also you will be missing the fingerprint scanner, which actually facilitates for you to gain access to your computer. That's in terms of physical difference between the two of them. So maybe I should actually call the owner of this guy here to come and actually speak a little bit about it, because he's been using it more than I have. Come and let me make space for you here.
What's it?
Are you on frame?
I should on frame. Put me on frame.
Okay.
Can you guys see me?
You get closer. So you've been using this guy for how long now?
It's been like 2 weeks now.
2 weeks?
Yeah. But I haven't done much on it.
What do you mean you haven't done much?
Well, I haven't even moved my data. I haven't even installed any app on it. So
basically this is a laptop that's just sitting at home.
Yeah, for now it's sitting. I still have my HP. So I still do most of my work on that HP.
Where's your HP? It's your HP.
Still have to check. So this is still my daily driver. So I should do a video showing you guys. So this is still my daily driver.
By the way, this is DK Dev. I didn't even introduce him, but you guys probably already familiar with him. Which year is this computer? Is it a dinosaur or is it a new one?
No, this is a new computer. This is a 2018 computer.
2018.
Yeah.
It looks so big. Look at just in terms of design. Look at the difference between Mac and a Windows PC. Which one would you guys actually go for? Just in terms of pure design. Look at this.
Well, if you're looking at the pure design, definitely people will go for the Mac. But I mean, look at the you understand?
It has a lot of ports. So unlike this guy here, where you only have 3 ports, this one has an SD card reader, has the 3.5mm jack, It has a USB-A reader. It has a HDMI port. It has an RJ45 port for your Ethernet. It also has a USB-C here, and this is the power. And on that, there's too many ports here. I'm actually okay. I'm done. I will still don't choose that one. I feel like I'd rather leave the dongle live than going back to those dinosaur, although it's a 2018 computer. So what are you going to be using this guy for? I normally use mine mostly for video editing and sometimes media consumption, but basically video editing. This is what I've been actually using it for.
So I'm gonna use mine for the same thing that you're gonna use yours for, or using yours for. But I'm still gonna do my emails.
Still going to sit for 2 more.
No. It's not gonna. Okay, the thing is, the reason why I'm still keeping that one is because I'm running a SQL database on that one.
Okay.
Which I haven't found a way to install it yet.
Yeah.
So I don't know if
you're going to need Windows for that.
Exactly, which is a challenge at the moment. So, but I think I'll find a way.
So basically, that's gonna be for work mainly, and this is going to be for video editing.
Video editing and pictures, and of course my emails
and your emails. And I really like the screen. Look at the screen. Look at the size of the screen. This is my hand. I actually have pretty big hands, but this is basically the size. It's really big compared to this one. That's really it's huge. With one hand, I think it's twice my palm of the hand. Now, which one would you go if now you had to go back and choose or buy another one? Would you still buy this one, or would you go for the smaller size?
So I would go for the smaller size. I just actually realized that when I was watching someone's video.
Was it my video?
Not your video, of course. But the guy was just actually showing how easy it is for him to work on this computer, especially while he's on the move. Than this one.
Yeah, I wouldn't get this one. I think I would get this one because of the big screen.
No. I wouldn't take this one
because it's
much easier to
use
and work on
it while you are editing.
While you're editing. But just imagine you're traveling. You don't know what kind of space you're gonna be exposed to while you get out there. You know. Imagine if you were to work on your lab, or I don't know, some easy area.
Okay, maybe because I'm quite big and I have quite big labs. I just feel like this one would be actually better for me than this one. But whichever one you have it, as long as you can do the work that it's meant to do, then you're good.
So I actually got the same spec that I have on my HP.
Really?
Yeah. So that's 512 and then 16 Core i7.
Core i7.
And then I've got facial recognition. Well,
you have touch ID on this one. And
there's a fingerprint there.
I don't have a touch. Those fingerprrints that you have to.
Interesting. Yeah. I'm actually falling for the touch bar. You know?
Yeah, because
this thing it's very interesting.
Once you go touch bar and touch ID, you can go back.
Yeah, those two things are quite. The speakers on this thing,
they're loud.
So loud.
Yeah, the speakers are really good. Even on this small one, the speakers are actually really loud.
Yeah. So for me, I think my ecosystem is getting there. It's getting there.
So when are you uploading your next video?
Okay.
He promised that he was going to upload a video this past week. He didn't.
Yeah.
I actually deleted a couple of files on his.
So you see, now I have to re-record. But the funny part.
Yeah, but it was a mistake.
The funny part is the video wasn't about this, so it's about something else.
Okay.
So I will record that video tomorrow, and it will be up on Monday. Then Wednesday, the video about this.
So he's promising a video on Monday and on Wednesday.
Yes, and I think another video should come in the other Monday.
I'm gonna check that out.
You guys can hold me accountable. I promise.
But yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Obviously, if you guys not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go and you subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on my next video.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well.
He's plugging in his own stuff. I'm gonna try and link his channel somewhere, but we'll see how I'm feeling when I'm editing this video. Peace.
Ciao.